Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. Let's see what are the messages today, what all I can tell you, and what all messages are there for you. Sorry, just turning the cards. I can see the magician though. Let's see if the magician comes back in the hand, okay? So spirit guides, please give me messages for everybody here. Spirit guides, please give me a few messages, okay? Oh, I knew it. Starting with lovers because you already had the magician. I saw the magician, and it's like something magical is going to happen suddenly, something out of the blue is showing you the pictures, though I cannot because there is a nudity problem in YouTube. So the angels are protecting your love. You guys are going to be together. And some miracle will happen. You've got the magician, you've got the miracle, and see in front of me what do I have the book, which is the magician. So you're going to do everything in your power. The destiny is going to do everything in its power, and your lover is going to do everything in their power to be with you. It's like everything is conspiring to put you guys together, and this is a time of togetherness. No matter if you were no contact, block situation, not happy with each other, fighting with each other, whatever is the situation, I feel it is being together. And learning, also learning, and the experiences, whatever you've experienced with each other will tell you that no matter what, you have to be with each other, understanding each other better. You've got the lovers card, number 6, and the angels are protecting you. Let's see, spirit guides, what are the other messages? Yeah, this is somebody who actually values you and sees you the way you see yourself, doesn't want you to change. Okay, this is how you see yourself. You have kept yourself on a pedestal, you give importance to yourself, and you know your value, you know what you're made of, you know how caring you are. And this is the person who also puts the same value in you and sees you in the same way you see yourself. And I think there's a lot of respect in this relationship. There's a rabbit here. Maybe rabbit is important. Maybe you were born in the year of the rabbit, or the person you are with could be born in the year of the rabbit. If the person has not, if you guys have not been too playful in the sense in the relationship, it's gotten very serious, I get with the rabbit that being back to the same thing again. Queen of Swords, look at the energies here. This could be any gender, but look at the independent energy, how independent the person is, how powerful the person is. The person knows what happens, like the power is in your hands is what I get. And you're very good with communication, you're very good with, I feel, understanding your value, which is like you wearing the throne also. I think maybe it was a situation where you guys were apart, or you guys you probably retreated, and you gave yourself importance. If you were not getting importance from the other person, you gave yourself importance. You made yourself strong also. I get a very strong personality. You weren't this strong when things didn't go well in the relationship. You weren't this strong, but the whole circumstances, all the relationship did teach you how to be strong. And you have very good way with words is what I get. This is you that I'm getting very good way with words. And very very calm, very intelligent, knows, when to speak, when to expect communication also. You know when to expect communication from the other person. Like, you can judge them very well, or you know them very well, everything they do. Yeah, a person who tried to leave you, a person who tried to uh, I would say play with your heart. Play with your heart is like a little harsh. I just want to say did steal from, in the sense, your time, your importance, your time also. I mean, you felt you wasted time with them. They were just wasting your time and not being clear with you. But this is somebody who now understands that what they could be losing if they are not with you. Because I feel your magnetic power, your power, that the whole power of you being healed and giving yourself more importance is really really making them like understand that you are the one for them. Guys, I'm looking at the cards that are put down in front of me, and I'm trying to see what else. Yeah, this is all about value. You could be an earth sign. We've got a lot of earth, we've got a lot of air right now, and pentacles. So wands, yeah, wands I did not see right now. But definitely this is somebody who looks at you like this. I mean, the way you look at yourself in the mirror, you're very proud of yourself. This person is proud of you. Okay, that's another message that I get. Even if nothing is going wrong, not necessarily all readings are something or the others going wrong. You could be in a good relationship and you want to know how they feel about you, or is this good, or do they value you. This is how they look at you. I mean, you've got somebody who'll actually pamper you. Pamper is the word. I mean, suddenly it will change. It will be. I'm also getting a lot of messages, even if they are jokes or some kind of messages. You'll get a lot of messages from them or pictures from them. It's like suddenly, when the gates open and there's communication. If you check the other channel today, I recorded there first because I missed recording there yesterday. I was busy. So if you see, it's flow, love flowing. You know how you open the floodgates and just water comes in like with a lot of rush. I really feel it's like they also kept things inside, okay? And I feel that something happened. Probably you started pulling back, and they were like, if I don't express myself, if I don't react, this person will actually leave me. You've got your victory here, the victory card. You've got fire, passion. Somebody has that passion for you. Somebody is really attracted to you physically. The value is a lot here. I mean, this relationship means a lot to them. You mean a lot to them, and I think that's a beautiful way of saying, because there is victory. There is somebody on their way who wants to be with you, who really adores you, pampers you, loves you, or will keep telling you how much they love you. If that was missing in a relationship where they were not very expressive, I definitely feel they are going to tell you this. And this card really went flying off. It is the warmth of in the relationship. It's almost like, if I just look at it, I was like, oh, I've got a pentacle in my hand, but it is the sun card, and these are little pentacles. Your values increase like multifold in their life. They really value you, and this is the warmth. This is new beginning. Horses might be important to you. Horse painting might be important to you. Sunflower is important to you in a way. I got the word bling. When something is blingy, you could have gotten something like blingy, or yeah, that's what I get. Or maybe a dress that's blingy. Yeah, because you felt a little the whole thing of being claustrophobic in the relationship, when you were just giving, and you thought you were caught in some kind of a round and round, or a web. I'm getting a web. I'm getting spider in my mind, but definitely I feel you got caught in a web and you wanted to be out, and I really feel you pulled your energies back. Or if you in a beautiful relationship, I definitely feel there's a lot of love coming, a lot of messages coming, expressing. They will be very expressive. It's like suddenly floodgates open, and you've got attachment, extreme attachment. You both are really, really attached. Could be a twin flame, could be that you know each other from your last birth or something, but this is attachment. No matter what, they keep thinking about you and you keep thinking about them. White could be important for you, okay? And you've got a chain here. You've almost like, it's very difficult to separate you guys. It's like when you can't even, you don't have anything to break that chain, or you belong with each other. No matter good times, bad times, you have to face the challenges, okay? Strategy. They're making a strategy of how to be with you, or you could be doing some strategy at work or something to do with strategy. I get the old map while I see there's something to do with an old map. Yeah, look at the storm warning. Just be careful with the storm warning, okay? And I hear, what I feel, storm warning is actually very different message. Sorry guys, very different message. I'll interpret it the way my spirit guides are saying. It is like your this is like emotions will suddenly take over them, and they will show everything. It's like they've never expressed their emotions. You never received messages from them. You used to keep sending them messages. You'll get one reply. This is your inbox being full. This is like a lot of messages. This is telling you like so many times that they want to be with you, they love you, they want to take you out on a date. It's a good storm warning. Today I get this is a good storm warning. It will suddenly come so fast and be like, hey, this person never sent me messages, and what happened to them? Yin and yang, a perfect balance between two forces. The energies are balanced. You've got the Lovers card first, so this is also very important here. You've got beautiful balances in life. It is a balanced relationship. I said it's not necessarily that all has gone wrong and you're not talking to each other. It's a beautiful relationship. If you feel this way, that you both are made for each other, this is the person, your person, I really feel. Spirit guides, please give me 5. I want to do 5 today. 5, 5, 5. 5 zodiac signs. You've got Leo. You've got a Leo. You've got Aquarius. Leo, Aquarius, that's a balance. You've got Virgo. You've got Taurus, and one more. Spirit guides, please give me one more card. And you've got Aries energy, okay? And here's my cauldron, okay? I'm just going to pick up a few messages and read it out to you. I'm just picking them up. Okay, two flew. I've got gray color, gray here. I'm getting gray, metal-like, very metal-like, you know, stuck to you. They're stuck to you. They don't want to be without you. What is this? 2 days, next 2 days are important. Maybe that's when you'll receive a lot of messages, or maybe in 2 hours. But 2 is important. We got in the yin and yang 22 also. Emotions, I told you, this is emotions. I know you cannot read a thing, but that's okay. Emotions, emotions, emotions. We care about the messages. What is this? Unblocked. See, I told you. This is Sunday. You'll be like, oh my god, I'm unblocked, and look at the messages one after the other. You'll get that, hey, why did you block me? Don't block me, or something. Fire sign. Fire is coming out a lot. I feel a lot of attraction, passion, guys. They're going to show a lot of passion and attraction, and you know what I mean. So those are the messages from me, and hope you enjoyed my reading. Take care, guys, and I'll be back soon with another reading. Bye, guys.